Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about automating YouTube channel through Python script. We'll try to make it a quick video. So first thing you need for your automated YouTube channel is the script. So here's the script that I have. It's a text that I plan to use as an outro for my YouTube videos. It's just an example text here. Um, Yeah, so we want to convert it into a video and then automatically. So there's some manual aspect to an automated YouTube channel, right? Like using different services to create your assets and then uploading it to YouTube. So, and there's costs involved. So if you, I'm just going to try to use free resources that are available out there to um, create this automated YouTube video. And the voice used can be improved definitely. The visuals can be improved, but this is one way to go about it. So here's the text that I have, and here's my code which will convert this text into a video. Now, so some of the libraries that I'm using is PIL. I think, yeah, this is the library to work with images in Python. Then I'm using this GTTS module. It's Google Text to Speech. I think it calls Google API. I'm not sure, but yeah, in the function here, I'm using GTTS. Um, this is where Right. So, and what else? Yes, and I'm using MoviePy, which is like a video editing library. It's really cool. We are going to use that to create our final video. So first, what I do is I read my uh, file, mangoblogger.txt. So this is the text that we just saw. Then we read the text in it, and this is the function which has this desktop format. So like what is the output size you want, right? If you want the desktop format or the mobile format, like a YouTube Shorts or a Instagram Reel format. The font for the like some settings like font and things like that, and then according to the format you choose, it creates that video where like all of that text is really nicely laid out. I'm going to cancel this one over here. Okay, now, and then it adds audio for each one of that text, and yeah, creates a video for you. So let me run it for you and then you will understand. Well, I was just texting some things with Big Boss. If you know about it, it's a daily soap. Well, I'm just going to change it to Mango. Uh, Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And there we go. Okay, and let's run this code. Yeah, so I'm just going to run this file. Hopefully it runs. I haven't tested it today, so it might not work. Yeah, so looks like it's working. which is always good, right? And I think it will take, shouldn't take too long actually. Oh, there we go, it's done. This is the video.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Look forward to your comments. Hello. This video is brought to you by Mango Blogger. We are website specialists. We know about websites. Visit mangoblogger.com for more information. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to website maintenance and digital marketing. On this channel we bring you videos regarding running a website for your business. All the details related to video exists on the blog link in the description.
Okay, yes, so there it is. There's my video. Well, if I can add some background to this. For example, I'm just going to, yeah, I have this, it's not related to this topic, but I just have this over here. It's for something else I was working on. And this is the new video that's getting made. So you see how fast it is. Yeah, so it's just added text. Like, of course, I'm gonna have to change the font on this, center it, and make it look more nice. And I can give some background music. Um, yeah, so that's how I would automatically create videos. The code, I will try to put it. Let me know if you find this interesting. Um, what I'm interested in knowing is like what are some text to audio services for free or some models that I can use to like create good audio, because I think that will improve this a lot. But I'm sure as technology gets better, right? Like you can plug and play and work with different services. So yeah, so let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to use that video as outro for at least next some of my videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.